while doing the diagrams or drawing the circuit diagrams, what is the most important thing that you need to follow is connections. That is how you are going to make the connections between the different electrical components that are provided to you to make the electrical circuit. Now for that, first of all, you should be very careful with the positive and negative terminals of the cell, like how they are connected to form the battery. And these symbols are basically always, if you have a cell nearby, just take that cell and see the positive terminal is also shown on the cell and negative terminal is also shown on the cell. So why that connection or why that things are shown to you? Just to say you exactly that how you are going to draw the connection. Like in our previous slides also, we have understood the concept that while making the connection, how the connection should be. That is, the positive terminal should be connected to the negative terminal of another cell, or we can say that the positive terminal of one cell needed to be connected to the negative terminal of the another cell. Then only there will be a proper connection. Otherwise, the connection won't be proper. So these are the things that you need to be very careful while doing the connections or while making the circuit diagrams. Otherwise, if you connect positive with positive, what happens? You already know that same charges. What same charges do? They repel, right? Now, if they repel, what will happen? The flow won't be complete, or the conducting path in which the charges need to be flow won't be complete, and as a result, your circuit won't work properly. So, you just need to be very careful with the symbols, like how the symbols are made, then only you are going to make the proper connection. Now, again about the switch or switches also, we can say that switch is also known as key. That I've already said that this can be placed anywhere. You can place the switch near to the cell or near to the bulb or away from both these two, but it should be in the circuit, then only your circuit will work. If a switch is in off position, the conducting path or your electrical circuit is not complete, and as a result, there will be no flow of charges, and as a result, your bulb or other electrical devices that is connected into the circuit won't work properly. But if the switch is in on position, what will happen? Once it is on, again there is a complete connection between the positive and negative terminal of the cell, and as a result, what will happen? The path is complete and there will be a flow of charges, and as a result, your electrical device which is connected into the circuit will work properly, right? And I've already said that if the switch is on, then the circuit is known as complete and closed, and if it is in off position, that is there is no complete connection, then in that case the circuit is known as incomplete and open. So that is how the connections are made, and these connections should be properly done if you want your circuits to be work properly. If the connections are made incorrectly, or if like I've already said you that if the positive and positive terminal are joined or negative and negative terminal are joined, in that case the circuits won't be complete, the circuit won't work properly. So these three things you need to be very careful while making the circuits, then only you'll get the correct circuit. Otherwise, your work will be waste. So just be careful with these things or with these points while making your electrical circuits.